How to apply a makeup with the Beauty Blender. Applying foundation with a brush or your fingers can result in streaks. The Beauty Blender sponge was invented by makeup artist Ray and Silva to ensure even, natural coverage. Use this bright pink sponge to apply foundation, cream blush, tinted moisturizer, and other makeup for a seamless effect. Your sponge can also come in handy for applying skincare products such as moisturizer, sunscreen, and self-tanner. You just need to learn the right way to prepare the sponge and the proper techniques for the effect that you're going for. Number 1. Dab the sponge into the makeup. To use your Beauty Blender to apply foundation, concealer, blush, highlighter, setting powder, or any face makeup, press the damp sponge into the makeup. Don't dab it too hard, though, or you may wind up picking up too much product. For makeup products such as foundation, tinted moisturizer, BB cream, or concealer, it helps to put some on the back of your hand and dab the sponge into it there. For the best results, don't apply the makeup directly to the Beauty Blender. For makeup products that are in a compact, such as cream blush or highlighter, you can dab the sponge directly into the pan. For loose powder products, such as setting powder, shake some into the lid and dab the sponge into it there. For makeup items that you'll be applying to large areas of the face, such as a foundation or cream blush, dab the rounded bottom of the sponge into the makeup. For makeup that you're concentrating in small areas, such as concealer under the eyes or highlighter along the cheekbones, dab the pointed end of the sponge into the makeup. Number 2. Bounce the Beauty Blender over your face. When you've dabbed some of the makeup onto the sponge, tap the round bottom against your skin to apply the makeup. Don't wipe the sponge across your face, but bounce it to gently stipple or press the makeup into the skin for a flawless finish. Stipple the sponge over your skin until all of the makeup is evenly blended. It may take a couple of bounces in the same area to fully blend the makeup. You don't have to press the sponge very hard against your skin to blend the makeup. Bounce it gently, and the sponge will do the rest of the work. Number 3. Use the pointed edge to apply the makeup to smaller areas. To apply concealer or foundation under the eyes, around the nose, along the lips, or in another small areas, press the pointed edge of the Beauty Blender against the skin. You'll want to press a little harder than you would with the rounded edge to ensure that the makeup is completely blended into the skin. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.